Hello everyone! First subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Today I will show you a simple way to manipulate images in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and click New File. Make a 4K artboard, set the resolution to 300 ppi and select the RGB color. Then click Create. Now open the image from Local. Click the lock icon and unlock the image. Click Ctrl+C or Command+C. The image is copied. Now come to the main artboard and paste it here. Adjust the image on your artboard. Repeat this process for next image. Now select the city layer and set the layer to the screen. Click on the Add Mask. Then select the mask and go to Image from the menu, and click Apply Image. Set modal value SM as the video and click OK. Make sure you selected the mask layer and then select the brush tool. Adjust the brush size as your need. Now apply brush as per need. In this project, I have to be more visible in the boat, so I use brush here. Now go to the adjustment layer and select curves. Adjust the curve. Then again go to the adjustment layer and select levels. Adjust color level. Now check the manipulated image. If you need more refinement, change the layer opacity. Here is our final output. Support us for more unique and informative videos.